Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to insert multiple rows in Excel. Inserting multiple rows in Excel is useful when you need to add extra space for new data without affecting your existing layout. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and decide where you want the new rows to appear. Let's say I want to add 3 rows just below number 3. Select row number 3 and drag it down 2 times so that 3 rows are selected. Right-click on the selected rows and you will see the option to insert rows above or below. Choose whichever option you prefer and you can add as many rows as you want by following the same steps. And that's it. We just learned how to insert multiple rows in Excel using the right-click menu. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.